Now in today's home, allergy proofing. Wet winter weather leaving us with expected to be a worse than usual allergy season. Lou Manfredini is the host of the syndicated show House Smarts. He's here to help you clear the air. Lou, good to see you.
Nice to see you as well.
So a bad season?
So everybody talks about this. I've heard from allergists and the companies that make all of the allergy medicine, the fact that these mild winters we've had, we haven't killed a lot of that pollen that we normally do during the winter months. And as we warm up and things start to get worse, people are already feeling the effects. Now, certainly those over-the-counter medicines, or even to go to your doctor, they can prescribe that. Those types of medicines are very helpful. We have seasonal allergies in my own family. But there are some things that you can do to help the indoor air inside your home better, which is, Willie, 2 to 5 times more polluted than the outdoor air.
And some things that you can do, some things you may need a little professional help with. Let's start with
this. This is a little bit tough to show, but ductwork has holes in it. Now, this is an example of a lot of holes in it, but all of these gaps and seams that are in ductwork have holes and gaps, and when the air is flowing through the ductwork, these gaps can pick up dust and debris and flow through. There's a process called Aeroseal. It's a professionally installed system where they actually clean the ductwork, then they run this polymer through. It can seal a hole up to 5/8 of an inch thick. Or opening rather, in the ductwork, through just by inside the ductwork going through there. The system runs more efficiently, you save money on your energy bills, and the indoor air quality inside your home is huge. The improvement is fantastic. $1,200 to $1,500 on average to have it done.
And that's one you want to call in the pros on. Something you can do yourself a little bit. Change the air filters.
Yeah, these air filters, the inexpensive 99-cent spun fiberglass, do nothing to protect the air. They are just designed to protect the blower motor. These pleated filters, these particular ones are by 3M. Their Filtrete brand is really kind of the industry standard. It grabs 10 times more particulate than what these normal spun fiberglass do, and you will be amazed at the indoor air quality improvement. Now, some HVAC people say you shouldn't use these because it restricts the airflow in your furnace. That's just not true. If you keep them changed once they get dirty because they're doing their job, your furnace won't know the difference, but your nose and your allergies will.
How often do you change those, Lou?
It depends on where you live, but on average, you're probably changing them every 2 months.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, good to think about. And how about this? This is a whole house air purifier.
Yeah, this is from Carrier. There's a lot of different manufacturers that make this. This is their Infinity Air Purifier. What's unique about this is that it actually kills pathogens. So literally influenza virus, their filtering system that's inside here gets changed every 6 months. And when this thing is installed properly and you're allowing that air to circulate through your home, it will make people breathe easier. This unit's about $1,200 installed. People that use them and have these types of units installed in their homes swear by them.
And where would you put that in the home?
This is next to your furnace. This is part of that whole larger system.
Okay, now this is something I hadn't seen before. This is a UV light system.
Yeah, this is part of this too. Professionals will install these as well, but this is a do-it-yourself item called Swordfish. It actually even comes with a hole saw. The UV light will kill 99% of the particulate that flows through it. This is very popular. Until recently, it was only a professionally installed item, and while you may seem like, oh, I don't want to try it, it's actually not that hard. It literally is drilling a hole in the ductwork in the right spot and then sliding this in and plugging it in. These bulbs are replaceable. This unit's about $140.
Get that at a hardware store?
Hardware store, home centers will carry that.
Okay, and very quickly here, these are just the room purifiers.
Room purifiers, I was talking to Dave, who works on the site. He wakes up and can't breathe in the morning. If you can't breathe, these room purifiers, this one's by Oric, it's about $2.99. It actually senses the particulate in the air. This one's called Victor, which is really nice. The filters can be cleaned and washed. And down at the bottom is this Blue Air Sense. They range anywhere from $2.99 to $4.79. But if you let them run and circulate the air with the fan, you will improve your indoor air quality and be able to breathe easier this spring and beyond.
Lou Manfredini getting us ready for allergy season.
Breathe
Thanks,
deep.
Lou. Appreciate it.